everybody, and welcome back to Go See Sailing. I am back on the boat. I spent several weeks in California visiting my family, which I'll show you guys a couple clips of that.
Different shades of blue.
Uh-huh.
I'm thankful for this dinner, and I hope my dad keeps safe. Amen.
Amen. Amen. Good job. Very nice.
Travel safe.
Oh my. That was super fun on the farm. If you guys watched from sailing to farming, I showed you guys that last time, but I've been going back a lot lately because Bianca's there doing a semester or two at traditional school with my mom. So that is her decision to do this year. I'm so excited to have her back, so we'll see if she decides to do one or two. She had a talent show there, and we got to play with the critters and do lots of fun stuff. Leslie came back to visit, so that was fun.
Oh my god.
But now I'm back on the boat. It's a super rainy day in Florida right now, and we're just getting a lot of projects done on both Moonlight and Little Miss. So some of the things that you guys are gonna see is installing the sail and trying to figure out some way to cover it and protect it from the sun, installing new winches. We've got some self-tailers, putting the lifelines back up, and just a few miscellaneous things around the boat. We're trying to sort out the solar issue right now. We have some flexible solar from Custom Marine, and we bought a cheapo from Amazon, and we're doing a test between the two, so you guys can check that out next week. I am so happy to be back on the boat. I missed her so much. We had a lot of fun in Mexico, but I'm really happy to be home. So we're gonna start sailing in a couple of weeks, doing some transits with our new crew. She's gonna be here, in 2 weeks. So I'm very excited about that. So we're trying to get everything prepared. So she and Cyril will be on Moonlight, and I will be soloing on Little Miss. Well, sort of soloing. I've got a buddy with me right now. This is Ricky. He is visiting. He is the ugliest little pound dog I've ever seen in my life, and he's along for the ride. Huh, bud? No idea what he is. We're going to be provisioning soon for our big trip. What our plan is to shoot, stop it Ricky, is to shoot east and hook around the back of Abacos. Jim's helping us plot our course. You guys have met Jim. He is so knowledgeable, and he's been helping us a lot. He also helped Bo and Brandy a while back, if you guys know some of them from their sailing channel. So he is just a wealth of knowledge. So we're gonna route that out, and then we're gonna start heading south. I'd like to end up in Grenada for hurricane season, but as you guys know me, I never know where I'm going to end up. So the plan is to just do a lot of solo sails with this and see how she handles in the Caribbean, and then decide if we want to do Panama or Atlantic or something else. So in the interim, wow, it's really blowing. We're gonna have a lot of sailing stuff, and the new crew member that's coming out is a yoga instructor, so we're gonna have lots of fun with her blowing up the paddle boards and doing yoga and all of that stuff, so I'm stoked. If any of you guys would like to join us, please comment below or send me a personal email at missLoneStarAdventure@gmail.com, and I would love to hear from you. We'll be looking for crew on Moonlight and on Little Miss here and there, and we'd love for you guys to come out and experience what we're doing. So we're still doing Catch Me If You Can, where we race from island to island. We're just getting the boats organized and ready to go to do that. So lots of exciting stuff coming out. I know you guys have been wondering, am I going to go back to land? Am I going to continue sailing? I'm going to continue sailing. I don't see myself moving to land in the foreseeable future. We'll have a couple shakedown sails in the next couple of days and weeks, getting everything ready for our crossing, and we'll see what breaks and what we'll have to come back and replace. But that's kind of the name of the game. That's what I've learned about sailing. So yeah, everything's good. I'm happy. The boat is coming along nicely. Just a couple finishing touches to make her safe to solo, and we're off. So I will see you guys next week on Go See Sailing. Thank you so much for watching, and I love you.
Someone's getting wet.